In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Stable Diffusion on Discord. In some ways, you can say this is a lot like using Midjourney for free. It's not as polished or high quality as Midjourney, but I can see it being used as Midjourney Alternative. Now, just go ahead and copy this link, discord.com/invite/stable diffusion, into your address bar in your browser. This will invite you to the official Stable Diffusion Discord channel or server, you can say. Okay, just keep joining the server by pressing the accept the invite button. Now, one thing you'll notice different from the Midjourney is that the Stable Dreamer bot does not have invite to your own server option. You can only generate prompts in one of the public channels here. So I'm going to scroll down here to one of the bot channels, and this is where everyone's generating their prompts. Hopefully they'll add that feature in the future. Now, instead of imagine command like Midjourney, they have the dream command. So type /dream and type the text prompt here. Here, I'm just going to use mouse, writing a bicycle, book illustration style, and press enter. It's going to take a while because other users are generating other images, and there it is. Here's our mouse on a bicycle. Now, just like Midjourney, they have some buttons beneath the image itself, and for now, they just have the voting features, send the image to your Discord direct messages. For now, they just want you to vote for the better image, which helps Stable Diffusion to train their models. Here again, our mouse on a bicycle. Obviously, it's not as perfect as Midjourney, but in some way, you can say that this is like using Midjourney for free. And we know that Stable Diffusion always improves its models. And the quality is actually pretty good so far. And it can definitely be used as a Midjourney alternative in many cases. So guys, that's pretty much all there is to using Stable Diffusion on Discord.